Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be responding to one of those questions asked by my amazing subscriber. So let me quickly go there and see what he's saying. It's a question I'll be responding to today. He said, hello please, can you make a video on how to place buy or sell limit on Bybit? That is very interesting. So let's quickly go to Bybit now without waste of time to answer these very questions. So if this is your first time like coming across to this my amazing channel, please do what to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. And if you are a returning viewers and you are kind of yet to subscribe to this channel, do what to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that you can keep getting any vital information from this very channel. So let's see now, how do we place limit on buy or sell? All right. Okay, let's look at this coin. This is grip. So sorry for the interruption. So this is grip. So if you want to place limit buy or limit sell on this very coin, this is what you will do. It's very simple. The first thing you must understand is that you must have some volume of USDT on your wallet balance. Secondly, you must come to click on buy. Let's start by the buy. Okay, you click on buy. Now let's say you have some USDT in your balance and you want to buy this very grip coin once it's 0.00155. This is the current market price. The current market price of grip is 0.0017032. You can see, or 0.35. This is the current market price, right? So the next thing that you just need to do is to come to this place to name when you want to buy this market, when exactly you want to enter this market. This is the current price. You come to this place to change when exactly you want to enter this market. Okay. And now say, okay, I want to enter this market when the price is 0.000155. Okay. Let's quickly go there to edit it. 0.00155. This is when I want to enter the market. I will now come to this very place to input the number of the USDT I want to use in buying. Let's say I want to use 100 USD. If I input 100 USD, then the quantity will be here. In 100 USDT, I will be giving 64,288 grip coin at this very price. Okay, I'll be getting it at this very price. So I will now come to this place to say, okay, buy grip when the price is 0.00155. I'll come here to click on buy. All right, I'll come here to click on buy. I'll come here to click on buy. So the moment I click on buy, it will appear under here, orders, waiting to be executed. Okay, it will appear in orders, waiting to be what? Waiting to be executed. So as if I want to place sell limit on this, since I've bought it on 0.055, I'll come to this place again to say I will love this order to be executed once grep is in 0.00199. I'll come to edit here. 0.00199. I'll come to edit here. So if the 64,000 that I bought, 800 or something or so, the 64,000 that I bought now will be increased to what by then? Let's say, let me quickly remember that. 555, 100, 64,288. And I want to sell it when it's 99. Put on 64,288.2 or so. Okay, you can now see that once this grep got to this level, I have made roughly 28 USDT. So 128 less than 100, I'll be left with 28 USD. I'll be left with what? With 28 USD. Okay. So this is very simple. And the moment I made this sell limit order here, it will be at the end of this order as well. So the moment this grep got to the 0.0019999, it will be fully executed. All right, to be executed completely. So this is it. So I do hope I answered your question. If you still do have any question regarding this or regarding any of my previous class, drop it at the comment sections and I will get to you ASAP. Thank you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.